Vechain at the time of this recording continues to see higher prices and has now managed to break above a key area of resistance above the 0.025, flipping it back into support. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the short-term Fibonacci key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above, and above all, give you reasons why we can easily get a breakout to the 0.04 mark in the next coming days. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, I have been observing a negative structure from the lows we made on the 7th of April, where you can see that I have been terming that initial bounce as the formation of that impulsive additive count 1. And after we picked in the formation of that first wave, we started a bit of a pullback in the formation of these wave 2, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave to the high of the wave 1. And on so doing, the area that I have been paying attention to has been between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, an area that we fully maximized, though at some point we overshot the minimum target areas, but continued to hold above the last line of support, which is the fib level 0.88. And you can now see that we are now seeing a reaction of this target area, giving us a bounce to the upper side. And now I'm watching for a break above the swing highs we made above the 0.0315 and the high we made in the formation of this first wave above the 0.034. And the moment we manage to break above those significant highs, then that will be a clear indication that a more bullish case scenario in the formation of this wave 3 is now unfolding, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave. And on so doing, the area that you need to pay attention to as your next target area for the wave 3 lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.04471 as your next target area. And the moment we hit that target area, I will expect a pullback in the formation of this wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher, more aggressively in the formation of that wave 5. So that is the reason as to why I believe that Vechain can continue seeing higher prices, having the 0.04471 as my next upside target area. Jumping to the 4-hour chart to now give you the short-term key areas of resistances. Here on the 4-hour chart, from the highs we made above the 0.034, I had been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside, where you can see that we have this 5-wave structure that gave us a low below the 0.01821. And having seen that significant low, I was expecting a bit of a bounce in what can easily turn out to be an ABC corrective structure. And the minimum target areas or the key areas of resistances that I'm paying attention to in these bounce over here has been given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high we made in the formation of that first wave to the low of the wave 5. And the area that I have been paying attention to lies between the fib level 0.78 and the fib level 0.382, and that is between the 0.02428 and the 0.03064, which is this area over here. And if by any chance we get a break out of this yellow target area to the upper side, that will be a clear indication that the more bullish case scenario that I have on the daily chart is unfolding, having the 0.04471 as your next upside target areas. But if by any chance we get rejected within this area over here, that will be a clear indication that first we are going to get a bit of a pullback where we can find support within the golden pocket by pulling the Fibonacci's from the lows we made on the 22nd of June to the highs we made above the 0.02923. And I will expect the area between the 0.02368 and the 0.022237 to continue holding. And if by any chance that golden pocket does not hold, then we can expect further downside to the 7.8, and that is above the 0.0205. and if by any chance we lose that line of support, then it will be most likely for us to get a reset of the lows we made on the 22nd of June in the next coming hours. So this yellow target area over here is what is going to dictate which of those two scenarios is going to play out for the next coming days. So for now, let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.